This basil smells amazing.
How can I make gardening as easy as possible by leveraging architecture with agriculture? And so it was that aha moment for me where I recognized a problem that was out there. Seedsheet is a ridiculously easy to use, curated, pre-seeded gardening kit. And so we're providing that farmer's market level of produce to somebody that's just growing something on their patio or balcony. I feel that I am giving the rest of the world a slice of Vermont, and that we are, empowering people to, they're putting a garden container that has Vermont soil, Vermont seeds on their Manhattan or San Francisco rooftop and growing a higher quality vegetable that they've ever consumed before. And that's just amazing. We can democratize food. We can democratize gardening and agriculture in a way that we can empower anybody to grow their own food.